Hello, students. Welcome back to yet another simple topic, that's the advertisement. When the word, when you listen to the word for the first time, advertisement, the first thing that occurs to you is the advertisement that you might be watching every day on the television screen. Now, you get the advertisement even while you are using internet in your mobile phones, on your computers, laptops, everywhere. It's the way in which people announce lots of things to a mass of people. Advertisement has a lot of power. Through advertisement, you can touch millions of people. So, but what we are going to do here is not the advertisement that we see on a television screen or on the mobile phones. Here, we are going to do mostly the advertisements. If you are in a habit of reading newspaper, or if you have ever gone through the newspapers also, there you may find lots of advertisement which are very simple. That's what we are going to do today. First of all, let's make it clear by the word what actually is. It is a non-personal or an oral or a visual message regarding a product or a service or even an idea. An advertisement is a public announcement made through a popular medium like the newspaper, maybe magazine, TV, radio, cinema halls, books, etc. The advertisement attracts an immediate attention of the person who reads it, of the public. And it influences, as I told you, lots and lots of people mind instantly. It's the power of the advertisement. You buy things when you see them on the advertisement. So that is the way the advertisement has an impact on people's mind. So what, as I told you, that we are not going through those advertisements, we are going to write down the advertisement. So it should be very short and simple. If it is written in lots of words, people won't read it. It should be very short, simple, and to the point. It is a very short topic also. So especially there are two types of advertisements. Advertisements are of two types. One is classified and the other is displayed. We'll go through both of them. Both are very, very simple. I'll make the idea clear what actually is classified and what is a displayed one. So classified ads are used to promote or use services to promote something. They are text board, means they are mostly written. In a classified ad, you will just find words written, sentences written, nothing else much in it. It should be enclosed. First of all, very serious rule is that it should be enclosed in a box too. Okay, that is what we have to keep in mind. It should be enclosed in a box. That is very, very necessary. If you forget, you lose the marks. Next, it should be short, to the point, simple, and it should be related to facts. It should not be fictitious one, means fiction should not be there. It should be really a fact, a factual one. There are lots of advertisements in classified, like situation vacant. If there is a place somewhere which is vacant, you can put an ad. To let, means if you want somebody to let your house, means if you want to give your house on rent. Sale, if you want to sell something, car, house, property, etc. Or the opposite, if you want to purchase, then too you can put an advertisement of property, vehicles, goods. Even lost and found things are put under the advertisement, that I have lost this is my address, please contact me here. Short and simple. If you found, then too you can give it. There are lots of advertisement that you will see, not this year, obviously we are going through the COVID. Otherwise, during this time, it's high time that in the newspapers you will find lots of advertisements about tours and travels, taking you to far destinations, for tours. You will find out lots of advertisements like that. So there are lots of advertisements, as I told you, and very simple things that we need to remember about it. Now we will go to the next one, that is the displayed one. So what is a displayed advertisement? They are given by the manufacturer or the organizations, okay, those who want to sell their product for publicity, for promotion. If they are launching it for the first time, they will give it for the publicity, for the promotions of their products. Otherwise, if they are providing you some service, then it will be about their service that they are providing. The displayed ones should be a bit different, which are actually visually attractive. Means a short picture is given, a small picture is given in the side. The picture will indicate what the advertisement wants to say. There may be catchy slogans on it, that you read that catchy slogan and you come to know what the advertisement is trying to say. There may be punchlines, etc. Punchlines also, etc. Few good lines. So these displayed ads are more like a bit of posters that we see, maybe on television also, maybe on hoardings, on newspapers, on magazines. They look like posters. Okay. So few things that we need to keep in mind is the format of the advertisement is very simple. First of all, as I told you, you have to draw a box. Don't enclose the box at the end. Keep it open, because you don't know how many lines you will be needing it previously. So you, after writing the advertisement, then only you close the box. The 3 lines you can draw previously. You need to leave a line after you have drawn the box. The arrow that is done here, that is the indication that you need to leave the line. Heading should be in capital bold letters so that it may catch the eye of the reader. Description should be there in the main body about the features, special attractions, if you are providing some discount, address, phone number, email, web address also should be there. All this is not compulsory in all the kinds of advertisement. It is just there it will be used according to the question that you get. So that is the simple thing. Then you leave again a line, then you start directly the advertisement, and then after completing the advertisement, again there is an arrow I have done that you need to leave a line and you close the box. Only that much, nothing more to remember in the advertisement. So let's begin with the examples which will make your idea much clearer. Okay, so let's begin with the first. Here is a simple advertisement about situation vacant. You can understand situation vacant means there is a vacant place somewhere and you have put an advertisement about it. So here we will go through it. Wanted. First of all, the word situation vacant should be in capital bold letters. Wanted. A confident PA for leading export house. Qualifications: graduate, age 25 to 30 years, typing speed 40 words per hour, preference to those who can handle computers. See, these all again advertisement you need to think and you write, and you need to write whatever the question is. You need to go through it very carefully, and then you need to write what is needed for that question. Salary negotiable. Apply with the complete biodata by 28th December to the secretary. See, the address is, we have to give the address because the person whoever wishes to get the job should be needing your address. So where can he apply, where can he go for the interview, that has to be written. So to the secretary, Orient Export House, Tilak Nagar, Delhi. Finished. Leave one line and close the box. That's the end of the advertisement. Simple as that. Now we come to the next one. For sale. If the advertisement is for sale something, the question may arise that you need to sell your old car. put an advertisement in the local newspaper about it. This will be the way in which the question can be asked to you. So here, for sale, you want to sell something, so you will put the heading for sale. That is very important, because the person, whoever is interested, will read. Who is not interested will just leave it. So the heading is very much important. It should be again catchy, being understood by the person who reads. Available Maruti 800 LX, year 1999, self-driven, scratchless, a stereo, air conditioned, no expenses, in good condition. Contact Mr. Vasu Bittal and his phone number. Here, address is not needed, cause these types of things can be discussed on the via telephone or the mobile, and then the person can personally go and meet, but they can contact him only first of all through a call. So here no address is necessary, so you just put a mobile number. That is also not necessary to put the entire mobile number. You can put it in this way also. Okay, so this is the advertisement for sale. Now these are the different ways, different questions which can be asked. Just read them. Situation vacant, situation wanted, house on sale, to let, that is again to rent something, accommodation wanted. These are the various subjects on which an advertisement can be asked. Now sample for classified ads, that is here situation vacant. Here advertisements are done for you. You just need to pause. Again, I am telling the same thing, and do write down the question and answers, means both of them are given to you. The advertisement is written by an employee who is looking for the service of a person in his organization. So you are the general manager of the Regal Hotel, Jamnagar, looking for a female receptionist in your hotel. Frame a classified advertisement giving required details of the job, contact details. So here this is it. This format here is not what you are going to write. The format that you will be writing will be this one. Okay, for sale at the heading, whatever may be the, as for this it is situation vacant, then you have to write in capital situation vacant, leave the one line on the top, leave one line, next, then you continue. This is the format that is given here that you need to write. Okay, so next, what will you write? So required female should be written on the top. This is just compressed so that it can be fitted in the screen, but as I told you, you have to write in that manner only, not in this way. Receptionist at the Regal Hotel, Jamnagar, English speaking, pleasing personality, computer literate, experience preferred, must be willing to work in shift, age 25 years to 35 years, salary 20,000 per month, contact dash dash phone number. Only this much you need to write. Keep it very short, sweet and simple. Okay, now we go to the next one. Now here it was situation vacant, here situation wanted is written by a job seeker. Okay, you are Rohan or Romy, a chartered accountant having job experience of 2 years. Draft an advertisement giving the desired job position and salary expected. So this is what you write. Wanted should be on the top in capital bold letters, leave one line, come down. Job for the chartered accountant, experience 2 years as assistant CA, salary expected 13,000 per month, willing to work overtime with extra pay, contact Romy. Then the phone number. Here too the phone number is only given, no need to put the address. So you can see that it is a very, very simple thing. Now one thing that you need to keep in mind is, according to the question, the way of writing the advertisement, you will have to make a change. Each and every advertisement will have different things to be framed and written inside. Now here the question is totally different. No situation vacant or wanted anything. Here is to let. So this advertisement is given by a landlord, means the owner of the house, who wants to let out his residential or commercial property on rent, means who wants to give his property or his residence house on rent. So the question will be, you want to let out your 2-bedroom flat, frame an advertisement for it in not more than 50 words. So what will you write? On the heading you will write to let, on the top leave line. Now you need to say something about the house, because whoever the person is reading who wants your residence, who wants the residence, he should be sorting out for things which he needs. So you need to put all the things, you need to clarify all the things which you have in your house to make it clear for the person whoever wants to live on rent. So 2 BHK independent flat in Bankers Society, Sector 13, Chandigarh, newly built. See, now these are the descriptions. First the address he gave, now newly built. Okay, so newly built means it's new house. Wooden flooring is there, semi furnished, gymnasium, swimming pool, park, swings, library available in this society. Obviously these are not available in the house, keep that in mind. These all the things are available in the society where this house is actually. Rent negotiable, means if you come and talk we can adjust it a bit less or a bit more. Bank MNC preferred. Contact, again no need of the address here because the address has already been given. Contact, you can contact the person on this phone and you can talk about it. So one more example. Now I'm not reading out all the questions, I'm just moving them slide by slide because I have given you many questions here to make the idea more clear. I have given many examples. You can pause the video and write all of them. This is accommodation wanted, to stay, for sale, if you want to sell something. Very good advertisement. See how short it is, that much is enough. It is not necessary to make it really very short. You can write down, it is not necessary that it's written here so short, so even you need to write 2 or 3 lines. No, you can write more, don't worry. For sale, for purchase, the opposite of it. Now you can pause the video, read them. I am not going to waste your time. Vehicle for sale is also given here. I have given almost all the examples on which an advertisement can be asked. So please do carefully read down all the advertisements by pausing the video. Vehicle wanted also, vehicle for sale also, both the things, both the ads can be there. Here is the lost and found. If you lost something, you can put an advertisement, I have lost such and such thing, this is my address. And if you found something, then too you can put an advertisement that I have found this and this here lying. Whoever, maybe the owner may come and contact so and so. So lost and found. See, this is also an advertisement, change in name. Many people after few years, either they change the name, the surname, or there is a correction in their name, they need to wish to change their name, then they need to make it public to clarify that now I was so and so, but from today this is my real name, so and so. So that is also to be informed. Tours and travels, as I told you, this year you will not be listening from them due to the coronavirus, but a very popular one. Mostly you will see this in newspapers. Tours and travels, wherever they go, they will tell you the description, etc. So here we come to the end of the advertisement. Lots of advertisements are given to you. You need to write down them in your fair book. I have given you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and here 2, 12, 13. You don't need to write all of them. You can write at least 6. Okay, but you need to write 6, 50% of them. So just write down in your fair book. I hope you might have understood, because there is not much explanation needed in explaining the advertisement, and even the same as for the dialogue writing also, it was very simple. You just read them, go through, you will understand what you need to write. It's a very simple topic, both of them. Okay, so until we meet again, please do complete this, both the topics in your fair book. Do write them. Thank you very much.